cops everywhere. Dang. What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for watching the channel. We're headed down to Gat. It's super early. It's only like 8 o'clock right now, but we've been on the road for like 2 hours now. So we'll take you guys along on the journey. Stick with us, and see you guys in a bit. We're already about to hit our first little side quest. We're realizing that the tires in the rear are rubbing way too much, so we're gonna go get new tires. All right, guys, so stop number 1. We made it out to Discount Tire. They're hooking us up. We had to get new rear tires because they're rubbing a lot. Like with 2 of us in the car and all the stuff we're bringing down, the car just sits like so much lower. So we just been rubbing all the way down here for like the past 3 hours. It's been terrible. I don't want to risk having a blowout, putting us in danger. So we thought it'd be best to just go ahead and get some new rear tires. They're a little bit narrower, so hopefully that'll solve our issues. Fingers crossed. And then next stop, we're going to get some food with the guys. They're supposed to be here in about 40 minutes. This tire change is supposed to take about an hour, and then we'll keep trucking. So see y'all guys in a bit. Hopefully everything works out. Yeah, Discount Tires, they got me right. We went to 2 other spots before them, and they were like, yeah, your car is way too low. We're not touching that. Discount Tire was like, man, pull it in the bay. They were super cool. Met up with a couple guys driving down. STI is pretty clean on the works. The FD. Our Tray 4. Tape game crazy. Wagon, I still don't see how he drives this thing. Clean 340i. Just noticed the 34 was on air. That's clean on the Nismo wheels. Alright guys, made it out to Gat. We just hit Buc-ee's, stop number 1 every time, you already know. Getting the 135 filled up. In good company. Chaser over there, GTI is actually really clean. Look at the color on this thing, that color is insane. The Subi, such a vibe here. Look at the E30. So good on the little TEs, I see you. All right guys, we finally made it. It was a long day, but I'm gonna give you guys a house tour real quick. Let me show you what we got. Kitchen, nothing crazy. If you aren't on it though, Basil Hayden is the go-to. Probably won't take you guys upstairs, but it's a bunch of bedrooms up there. Living room, dining room, bedroom down here. Another bedroom here. The walls and ceiling are crazy. One of like 6 bathrooms. Nothing too crazy. Pretty much every bedroom has a bathroom. Got a friend by the door. Nice chair. I don't know what we're looking at outside, but a little bit of a view. Take you guys downstairs. They did a pretty good job down there. Another bathroom, game room. Sheesh. Good options down here. Check this out. Indoor pool. Out there we got a hot tub, fire pit. Pretty wild for real. Kind of see out there. Let me not fall in the pool. It's been a long day. Gonna chill for a bit and catch back up with you guys later. All right, guys, we are out here at the strip, the infamous cookout. So we're gonna see what we got out here. It's pretty packed, pretty crazy. Cops everywhere. Let's get it. Purple on this Audi's clean. Fitment's clean.
Beautiful purple in.
For sure. The scene is pretty wild too. Such a fan of the new Type R. So good. Love those wheels, the wing. Is this RS6?
Sweet.
Yeah, super clean.
Yeah, I really
RS8,
like
guys.
It's a cool dad car.
It's a rich dad car. I think they're like 120, 140. Check the Civic out. Crazy. Wild blob eye. Boy, I got the blue green carbon hood on that. Crazy. Mustang's kind of clean. Oh no, somebody's bike got hit. That sucks. Dang. Need a backup camera. Alright guys, back here at Cookout. Another crazy night here at Gat. I'm gonna show you guys what's out here. The matching queue. Color's insane on the BBS's. Man, that's like old school. That's crazy. That blue is gorgeous. The camera's not doing it justice. This pink Supra's wild. Love the Adro on there. All the carbon. Look at this EF. The paint is gorgeous. K-swap. Sheesh. Oh, this is a CRX. I did not know that. Woo. And it's all-wheel drive. Insane.
My car can do that.
Ooh.
That's a stock car.
The SI. Honda's out here not playing around. Truck is clean, looks mean, looks fast. Got a V8 LS. Woo.
Looks a little sketched out.
Forest greens out here. Fat dump. Oh, so good. The V. GTR is absolutely gorgeous. Bagged. TEs with the green inserts, green Brimbos. Classic JDM down here. Fitment is crazy. Look at that old Corolla, I think, or Camry. Corolla. We gotta get some rest. It's been a very long day. And go ahead and hit the like, sub. A lot more to come. And I'll see you guys in the next one.